all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hi, you're watching News 9 Digital. I'm Surat Suresh. It was quite a long wait for all of you to head back to your hometowns because the lockdown was in place for over 60 days. And now, Unlock 1.0 guidelines have been brought in, out of which one of the main services which has been relaxed or which will start resuming is the railway services. Now, 200 passenger trains will start plying from June 1st. This will be apart from the 30 special trains which have already been started, or it will be apart from the Shramik trains as well for the migrant workers. If you want to go to your nearest railway station, you want to go back to your hometown, there are several guidelines which you will have to follow. Now, I had to go through a few of the procedures here at the railway station. So let me just take you through as to what are the guidelines which have been brought in and which have been put in place for the passengers even before they board the train. Well, the passengers will have to reach the station 90 minutes in advance itself. All of this because there will be a lot of procedures with respect to screening, and the testing process will also be there. So for that, you will have to be there at the station 90 minutes before the train leaves the station. Apart from that, all passengers will have to wear face masks and will have to maintain social distancing from the time they enter the station till the end of the journey. So that is till from the time you enter the station till you board the train, and after that, once you get off the train at your station, till then you will have to maintain social distancing and you'll have to wear your mask as well. Only passengers whose tickets are fully confirmed, passengers on reservation against cancellation, that is RAC list, and those passengers whose single ticket have confirmed seats and waitlisted seats will be allowed to board the train, but the waitlisted passengers will not be allowed to board the train. And this is the kind of compulsion which has been brought in. Now, the passengers will be compulsorily screened as well on those with asymptomatics, who are proved to be asymptomatic. They'll be allowed to board the train, but if you show any signs of high temperature or if you have COVID-19 symptoms during the screening, he or she shall not be allowed to travel despite having confirmed tickets. The first ticket chart shall be prepared at least 4 hours before the scheduled departure, and the second chart shall be prepared at least 2 hours before the scheduled departure. Now, what are these charts? This will have the name of the passenger, whether they have shown the signs of COVID-19, and after that, whether they are asymptomatic or symptomatic, and then they will be boarding the train. So this is the chart which they will be preparing 4 hours before, because they will have to screen you, and then 2 hours before as well, so that the final list will be put on all of the coaches. Now, the travellers will also be provided with hand sanitizers at the entry and the exit point of the station in all of these coaches as well. So, hand sanitizers, masks, social distancing, all of this has become part and parcel of your life. Now, use of Arogya Setu app is mandatory before boarding. This is what they have said. So, probably you will have to have Arogya Setu app before you board your train. Well, now my train will be arriving and I will be telling you what are the other guidelines which you will have to follow when you board your train. I've boarded my train and there are a lot of precautions that I'll have to take. Especially I'll have to be cautious not to touch the seat as well as the railings, because probably they are not disinfected, so I'll have to keep my hands to myself. As well as when you go to the toilet, do ensure that you use your elbow a lot so that it will be much easier, and after coming from the washroom as well, do ensure that you sanitize your hand and maintain your personal hygiene. Now, apart from this, there are other guidelines which the IRCTC as well as the central government have laid out. What are those? Do ensure that whenever you see a ticket collector, he is wearing gloves and he's also wearing a mask, as well as PPE kit suits are provided to them, because when they come in contact, they should not be touching you, or there should be minimum contact between you as well as the ticket collector. Now, it is also said that the tickets will be checked only with magnifying glasses, so do ensure that they are doing the same. On the other hand, Indian Railway Catering Tourism Corporation has disabled the prepaid meal booking and e-catering as well. However, the IRCTC has said that provisions for limited eatables as well as packaged drinking water will be provided based on the payment basis, as well as it will be only in those trains which have pantry car. So it is best that the passengers themselves are bringing their own food. So that is why the passengers are encouraged to bring in their own food as well as drinking water, because you will know your personal hygiene the best. Also, all static catering as well as the vending units at the railway station will remain open. If you want to get any of your essential services, then that will be the place where you can head to. No linen blankets as well as curtains shall be provided inside the train, like our graphics team has shown that none of the windows will have any of the curtains, just to ensure that you do not come in contact with them, because there are possibilities that you might be infected with COVID-19. Well, now to book all of your tickets, you can head to the nearest post office or even the railway station, because there will be counters. And apart from that, the best suitable way to book your tickets will be through IRCTC app. I know all of you have been waiting for this from a really long time to head to your destination. So this is the best opportunity, but at the same time, do ensure that you maintain personal hygiene. Well, if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to our News 9 Digital on all the social media platforms. Until next time, thank you.